It rained heavily yesterday night in Dubai. The beauty of golden clouds and the setting sun. There's a crack, huge cracks formed all over here. Let's see. Oops. It's not very safe to walk around this. Greenery in the desert. Huge cracks, huge cracks. Oh my god. Because of the heavy rain, these cracks have formed because of the heavy flow. Kids are playing in the desert. Seems like they are enjoying the weather. This is an alwarka. I'm going to do some climbing. This is the Bincyness road. Those golden clouds were really attractive, but I'm pretty sure that what I have seen is more beautiful than what I have captured. These stones came washed from yesterday's rain, so I'm going to collect them to decorate my indoor houseplant pots. We got a bag full of stones, beautiful stones.
Yeah.
What is this for, Asan?
This is for gardening.
Okay. So we got them for free, right?
Yeah.
From the desert.
Yeah. Yesterday was raining.
We are going to decorate our pots, right? With these stones. We are back home with a bag of gravels that we collected from the desert. I collected it in these mesh bags so that it's easier to wash. I'm just washing it in water to wash off the excess dust and sand. I'm done washing it. I'll let it dry here and tomorrow I'll write in my balcony.